Hello student, we are going to learn construction practice lab. In construction practice lab, experiment number 9, prepare bar building schedule and fabrication of reinforcement for a single for a lintel with a chajja. Okay, so tools required: cutting tools, tape, lever, bar welding and platform, etc. Okay, so what is the procedure for making a bar building of schedule lintel with the chajja? Draw the figure showing the reinforcement detail, adopting a standard procedure for a curtailment and anchorage from the given particulars. Identify the types of bars, main, distribution, etc., and sketch their shapes. Calculate the number of bars required in each type and then prepare the bar bending schedule. Collect the required quantity of a steel in each type. Check the dimensions with the drawing and rectify the defects if any. Mark overall dimensions of a lintel and chajja on a hard leveled surface. Okay. So lintel and chajja. Lintel. Place the membranes in position as a specified spacing. Keep the anchor bars at top level of a reinforcement. Tie the stirrups at specified spacing with main and hanger bars. Place the mortar blocks first below main bars in tension zone for ensuring clear cover. Checha. Keep the mortar blocks to the required size at the free end. At the support, place the main reinforcement of a chajja over the mortar block in tension zone. That correct spacing has shown in figure. Mark the position of a distribution of main bar. Place the distribution bars below the main bars and tie them using binding wires. Check the position of all reinforcement of a lintel with chajja and rectify the defect if any. Okay. Table for a hook lengths. Bars, main steel bars 180 degree, 45 degree, HYSD bar 180 degree, CTD bars 90 degree, and main bars and hanger bars 9 into dia if 180 degree, and 180 degree HYSD bar 9 times of dia, and CTD bar 90 degree 6 times of dia, and stirrups for lateral ties 7 times of dia 8 bar are used, and 4 times of dia 6 bars are used. Okay, so here it is given specified data. Lintel with a chajja. See, the main bars are 4 numbers 8 dia, hanger bars are 2 numbers 8 dia, support 300 both side, and clear span 2000 millimeter means 2 meter, and stirrups are provided 6 dia at 140 center to center, and chajja main bars 4 numbers 8 dia, and stirrups 6 dia at 140 center to center provided, and depth is chajja's depth 125, and when slope is given 60 is depth. Okay, so let us learn about the calculation part. So given data, chajja projection 1.2 meter, support 300 stirrup 6 dia, hanger bar 2 numbers 8 dia, main bar 4 numbers 8 dia. So we calculating first lintel of main bar. Lintel of main bar formula is clear span plus 2 into hook length minus 2 into clear cover plus 2 into width of support. So hook length is 7 times of dia. So our main bar is 8 mm. So 7 into 8. So we are getting 0.056 meter. So 2 plus our 2 is our clear span plus 2 into hook length is 0.056 minus 2 into clear cover is 0.025. Here it is. This is a clear cover. Okay. 0.025 clear cover plus 2 into width of support. So our main bar length is 2.662 meter. Length of hanger bar is also same, 2.662 meter. Okay. So length of stirrups formula is 2 into width plus 2 into depth plus 2 into hook length. So width, depth and hook length we are going to calculate it. So width is 300. Here width is 300. Okay. So 300 minus 25, 2 times of cover are minus. Okay. So we are getting 250 mm. So in meter 0.25 meter. Depth 125 minus 2 times of clear cover. So 75 mm is our depth and in meter 0.75. Hook length for stirrups is 4 times of dia. So stirrups is our 6 mm dia. So 4 into 6, 24 mm and in meter 0.024. So length of stirrups is 2 into 0.25 into plus 2 into 0.075 plus 2 into 0.024. So our length is 0.698 meter. Number of stirrups is effective span divided by spacing plus 1. So our number of stirrups is 18 numbers of bars. Okay. So chajja. Length of main bar formula is clear span plus 1 into width of support minus 2 into clear cover plus 2 into hook length. So hook length is 4 times of dia. So main bar of chajja is 6 mm. So our hook length is 0.024 and length of main bar of a chajja is 1.498 meter. So bar bending schedule. SL number, the grade of dia and grade, types of bar, length in meter, number of bars, weight in kgs per meter and total weight. Okay. See the bending bar schedule. So our 8 mm dia main bar length is 2.662, number of bars 4 and weight in kgs is 0.395 and total weight 4.205. Okay. Thank you.